A missing or damaged fireplace chimney cap is like inviting rain right into your home, causing all kinds of damage you definitely do not want. Okay, so first off, if your chimney cap is gone or busted, rainwater can sneak in and mess with your chimney structure, leading to mold, rust, or even worse, cracks. To fix this, get a chimney cap that fits your chimney size perfectly. Trust me, one size does not fit all. Make sure the cap is made from durable materials like stainless steel or copper, so it can stand up to weather without rusting. When installing, seal it tight with high-quality waterproof sealant to keep water out completely. If you're not super handy with tools, it's worth calling a pro to avoid any mistakes that could cause leaks. Regularly check your chimney cap for damage or debris buildup, especially after storms, so you catch problems early. Also, keep the area around the chimney clean to prevent blockage or animals from nesting. Staying on top of this simple maintenance can save you thousands in repairs down the road. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make when dealing with a missing or damaged chimney cap is ignoring the problem until water damage starts showing inside the house. This just makes repairs way more expensive and stressful. Another common issue is using a chimney cap that does not fit properly, too small, or too loose. And that leaves gaps for rain to sneak in anyway. The fix here is measuring your chimney carefully and buying a cap designed specifically for your chimney type. Lastly, some folks try to install the cap themselves without the right tools or knowledge and end up with poor seals or unstable attachments that don't last. Hiring a trusted local contractor can avoid this headache and ensure the cap does its job. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid way to find verified local contractors who specialize in chimney repairs and installations, so you don't have to stress about who to trust. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for new projects, it helps connect you with homeowners ready to get work done on their homes.